Oh. Kenny's tree removal. Would this be Matthew's tree removal?
Matthew's landscaping.
I don't like the pointy parts. They gotta get rid of the pointy parts. Fat.
Look at the gouge right at your crotch level.
Here, come pull on this way. Kenny, no, Kenny.
Wait, but I gotta get it.
Go get it real quick and come back.
No, I'm not.
Go back by my mom.
I fell on my ass. Yeah, you can.
Go ask my mom.
Becky's gonna pull.
Narnia.
What?
In Atlantis, it's over here.
Narnia!
Watch out. We should all pull on this one.
We should all, they're all gonna fall right on their butt.
Narnia's cool! Stay here, baby.
Wow, that's a lot of wood. Hold up.
Big old tree.
Really, we're just moving the tree. We're relocating it so it has more room for redneck games.
Is it by anywhere people live, or is it just like
No.
diving over the tree?
No.
That's what I'm afraid of one of them gouging on those big old branches sticking out.
You get it. You get a big piece.
We're some final destination stuff. We don't have no more.
Okay, don't go harm me with
I guess
that.
so. Totally asleep. Kenny Mac, what's up? No, Kenny Mac.
He comes over here with this small little shovel.
That Boy Scout shovel probably ain't gonna help.
Now we gotta find some rope and all I gotta try to do it. You guys trying to cut some wire. Shut the hell. I'm waiting for you to go.
What was that about the catapult?
I'm waiting for them to just pull on one and fall.
You hold on.
Pat, you go pull on it or push.
Grab a hold of his face.
Really tough.
Here, you guys. Hey, we came to a conclusion. If all the guys pull at the same time, it'll come out.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, you gonna dig it out?
There's one problem with that. What? You pull it, you want the rope up to the top so you have more leverage.
Car.
We are men! Yeah!
Oh my god. Woo! Now that one!
Where's Narnia?
Ooh, what kind of things we got living in there?
Kenny might throw a bottle in there. No, Kenny, fill it up. I need someone to stand in front of the hole. See, you know what's going to be the funniest thing? We're going to be sitting here, oh, free. Snake's going to come out and we're going to be like, get it.
I think it came from the
Kenny's just grabbing a hold of my head.
Actually, you win.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the tree like right here.
Crystal likes pickles. Whoa, shit,
Those are a little old, Harmony. They're kind of hard.
yeah, that's, yeah.
They are turned into plastic. How does that work? Someone's got to figure it out. That's turned into plastic.
That's gonna be a little harder to get out of the ground.
We gotta put like a sign somewhere over there or something so nobody goes rushing over and puts it.
What, the big pile of... We found a Barbie?
Perfect glass.
Oh, yuck.
A bathing suit. It's a bathing suit.
A washcloth?
Oh, and my underwear.
If we find any body parts, that'd be pretty cool, actually. Yeah, wiggling. Wrap it around that big one.
It's mine. Yep.
5 kids at one point in time, and then one of them fell in there.
Heck, that was not ours.
Which one?
That one, pointed at her.
Oh.
Well, it'd have to be the baby. Who else could have fell in the hole?
I'm not smart.
She's like,
She just kicked a bunch of stuff into him.
Stand here.
she can't drag no little bully.
Oh my God, everywhere I go, I hear Becky's phone go.
That was mine. That's actually mine.
Is that yours? Oh,
We have the same one.
I'm like, it's haunting me.
Harmony, move that.
Oh, God.
Not because of the week. Sinclair.
Yeah, way over there. It's coming towards us.
Yeah, Bob, you wanted to flip up
It's
and
not coming. Kenny?
Becky, you're gonna get squished by Patrick. No. I'm usually good at her being a Becky. Dad, you ready for this?
the after smoke.
1, 2, 3.
It's not going. Airplane!
We need some water quicker. Oh, shit. I would fucking die.
What?
If he just goes dunking. Just hook it on. Made in America.
You think?
Wrap it around, stress. Hook it on with
No!
that. Alright, where's my whip?
Oh!
Need that lighter.
We need somebody over by the hose ready to turn it on.
It's on.
Awesome. Let me do
Okay.
With the back.
Oh, get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Everybody get ready to move.
Am I birding? Yeah. Don't.
Can we make some noise?
That's not enough gas.
Oh my God.